Okay. Balik ulit tayo rito. Dito walang ilaw rito. Ito yung sirayang ilaw na yan. Okay. Lakad tayo. Kunting ilaw raw pero almost dark talaga. Yan, buksan natin yung ilaw. Okay. Patayin natin. Okay. Basta tayo. Ayan guys, naglalakad lang ako. Makita niyo yung shadow. Look my shadow. Lakad tayo. Normal walking lang para tayo may kausap na just like calling. Ayan. Yan siya iniingatan. We don't care about the footage. Just walk. Yan. Look. Okay. And you see, I'm going to jogging. I'm jogging right now. Okay. Okay, I'm done. Okay, next natin. Lakad ulit. Okay, I'm running naman. Now I'm running. I'm running. Let's see how it's good. Okay, I'm done running. Okay. Whew. Actually, the footage was so very good. It was look good. Mas maganda siyang, mas magandang tignan yung screen ko kaysa dun sa totoo. Talagang masasabi ko talaga na dito maliwanag siya sa screen, pero sa real malayo madilim siya. Pero dito talagang napapaliwanag niya. Kita nyo naman. Okay, that's it. That's 1080p 30 fps.